Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2D, that is solving simultaneous linear equations, graphical method. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand, that what is the meaning of term and the word solution. Solution means to find the values of unknown of the question, and how many types of solution are there. For the simultaneous equations, we can have the single solution, and single solution will be obtained when m and c of both the lines are different. Infinite solutions, when the lines are identical and lines coincide or lines overlap each other, then in that case you will get the infinite solutions. Or no solution, when the lines are parallel and they have the same gradient. Let's move to the basic level. Question number 1, A part. Question says use graphical method to solve the following simultaneous equations. In A part, we are given with two equations, that is, the first equation is 3x minus y equals to 0, and the second is 2x minus 1 equals to 1. For the plotting of simple linear equations, there are different methods available, either the table values or you can go with the intercepts. In my lessons, I will be displaying both the methods, so at this stage students should have the command on both the methods. If we look at the first line, that is 3x minus y equals to 0, this line does not have the constant with us, so what we have to do, we can write it 3x minus y equals to 0, or minus y, shift 3x to other side, minus y equals to minus 3x, or y equals to 3x. So it means for the first line we have to plot the equation of the line y equals to 3x. This line does not have c with us, and this will pass through the origin, and it has the gradient positive, so it will have the rising trend. If you want to understand the features of the line, you have to watch my previous lessons, for which I'll give the link in the description box. So for the plotting of this line, I will be going with the construction of table values of x. So what we have to do, we have to take certain values of x, and at least 3 values or 3 points are enough for the plotting of straight line. So what we can do is, I have to replace x equals to 0 in this line. When I'm multiplying x by 0, y value will be 0. When x is 1, y will be 3, because 1 times 3 is 3. When x is minus 1, y will be minus 3. Okay, we will draw both the lines at the same time. Now come to the second line, that is 2x minus y equals to 1. This is the line which has the intercept with us. So for the plotting of this line, we can go with intercept method. For x-intercept, what we have to do, intercept, what we can do, we have to put y equals to 0. We have to put y equals to 0 in this line, and equation will take the form 2x minus 0 equals to 1, or 2x equals to 1, or x equals to 1 by 2, x equals to 1 by 2. So one of the point for this line will be 1 by 2 with 0. Coming to the second intercept, for x-intercept, I'm making my y0. For y-intercept, what we have to do, we have to put x equals to 0 in the given line, and when I'm putting x equals to 0 at this place, I will have 2 into 0 minus y equals to 1. This vector will become 0, minus y equals to 1, and minus y equals to 1. Now shift minus sign to other side, so y will be equal to minus 1. So the second point for this line will be 0 with minus 1. Now what we have to do, for the plotting of the second line, I can plot these 2 points and I can pass the line through these 2 points. Now, as the question says, use graphical method to solve the simultaneous equations. So it means that we have to put both the lines on the same graph paper and see that at what point the lines are cutting or meeting each other. Let's move to the drawing a first line, that is that when x equals to 0, y will be equal to 0. So the first point will be coming at this place. When x is 1, y is 3. So the point will be coming over here. And when x is minus 1, y is minus 3. So the point will be coming at this place. Minus 1 with minus 3. Now I have to join these 3 points with the help of line. First, let me draw the line with the help of pencil and then I'll perfect this line. Okay, and the line has to pass through these 3 points. Now, this is the line which is 3x minus y equals to 0. Now, let me perfect this line. Okay, let me make the line bold for you people. And this will take the form, this one, and I have to mark the line as well, that this is 3x minus y equal to 0. Coming to the second line, for which I'll be marking the intercepts. When my first point is x 1 by 2, means x 1 by 2 and y 0 will be coming at this place, and the second point is 0 with minus 1. So my second point will be coming at this place, and then I have to pass the line or join these 2 points with the help of ruler. And now I have to pass the line carefully. Line has to pass through these 2 points. So this is the line for the second equation, which is 2x minus y equals to 1. Be careful, okay, and draw very neat lines. You have to use pointed pencil. Okay, and now I have to label the line as well, that this is 2x minus y equals to 1. And now I have to see that at what point both the lines are cutting or meeting each other. If we look at the graph carefully, we can see that at x equals to minus 1 and y equals to minus 3, minus 1 and minus 3, both the lines are cutting or meeting each other. So the solution for these lines is, solution will be minus 1 and minus 3. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.